What about you? Robbie from Premier Lawns. Today we're going to be scarifying this very mossy lawn. Now, as you guys know, I always put the moss control on afterwards. The customers actually put the moss control on himself. I'm going to be breaking 3 of my golden rules today. Never work for friends. Don't let customers help you, and only do part of the job. Usually whenever I'm working, I always insist on doing all the work. But my friend actually put the iron down about a week ago, and he's going to give me a hand to scarify, and then he's going to do the weed control and the fertilising afterwards. Usually I would always say no to things like this, but this is a friend and he's helped me out in the past, so he knows the deal. Okay, stick around.
For those of you that don't know, scarification is the process of removing moss and thatch from your lawn. The Americans call it dethatching. This lawn is mostly moss. It's in a very exposed spot. In the winters, on this lawn can be very hard. They had their gardener, Alan, come and cut the grass very short before my visit. He's a nice lad. I just wanted to give him a bit of a shout out. If your lawn gets a build-up of thatch, it creates a natural forming organic layer that the moss will thrive in, and this chokes the lawn. The only way to remove it is with scarification or dethatching. Once you get that organic layer, then you get all the extra moss, and that moss stops the water from penetrating down into the roots and into the soil, and that then leads to more thatch, and more thatch leads to more moss. So this is why we scarify. Having the mower to collect all the debris, I wonder could I get my friend to bring that to all my jobs? He could tow it behind the Porsche. The second pass over the lawn was fairly hard on it. It could have nearly had a third, but then it would have needed to be seeded afterwards, and this wasn't in the budget. If you're enjoying this video, if you could just go ahead and hit that like button down below, it really helps me out. Subscribe for more videos like this, and make sure you hit that bell icon so as you don't miss out on any future videos. If you want to get your own lawn up to a really good standard, this is the channel that you want to be watching. If you could just go ahead and smash that like button, it really helps me out and it helps me grow my channel. It's important whenever you scarify your lawn that you clean up all the moss and the debris and the thatch, because anything you leave lying on the surface, guess what it's going to do? It's going to go back down into the lawn and create more problems. For people that follow my channel will know I always put the moss control on afterwards, and I'm going to show you a classic example. I'm just going to go to a random part of this lawn and pull out a little bit of grass, and you can see in the thatch layer you can see some green, some live moss, and this is why we do the moss control afterwards. I recently did a video on this, and if you look in the right hand corner of the screen you'll see a little eye, and that'll lead to that video. So listen, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.